apart the Hayward salt cell and give it a nice good cleaning. You're going to need a stand, either some homemade one like I did or the Hayward salt cell stand. You might need this to actually open it up, a bucket of pool water and muriatic acid. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So, boom, this one will go in the opposite direction. That's this way, that way. Okay, go ahead, bring it here. Just to let everybody know, this is what the inside of the salt cell actually looks like. Okay, make sure you cap one end, lay it up against something, and then you always add water first. 4 parts water to 1 part muriatic acid. Always add the water first. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. And then this stuff does fume, so you got to be very careful with it. Oh shit. Bring it, bring it. All that bubbling is actually what's cleaning the blades. And once the bubbling stops, that's when you know your blades are done. Do this for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the bubbling stops. All right. Just a little bit more. A little bit reaction. So again, wait 10 to 15 minutes. If your salt cell is still bubbling vigorously, you dump it and you start the process over again if it's still actually bubbling after these 15 minutes. This one wasn't too bad. Okay, so still a little bit of bubbles. Let it go until it's completely done, and then what we're going to do is we're going to dump out the water, this mix. Be careful where you dump it out because you're going to absolutely kill every patch of grass you dump it out at, and then flush it out with just fresh pool water. It's pretty much done. So you want to put down or get closer. So right now I'm going to dump it. Be careful. Look at that reaction. So wherever you dump it, you're really going to kill that. Then a full bucket of just regular pool water. Oh, I think it's gonna die. Until it comes overflowing. That's how you flush out everything. Boom. Help out that patch real quick. And dump it out. Okay. Hold on, I should have had this. Come here. There's an O-ring here, and there's an O-ring underneath here. Okay. Lube it up anytime I expose it. Always lube it with magic lube. Okay. It's good there. Okay, and then reverse the process. Do not tighten with this. Hand tighten only unless you want to crack one of these, and then you'll have a whole nother can of worms to try to take care of. So this was only to loosen it up if your hands weren't strong enough. Okay. Get it in there, righty tighty, right? Line it up. And I'll say it again and 1,000 times, hand tighten only. Okay, that's it. That's it. Gonna turn the pump on and check for leaks. You can just put it down there. If leaks are going to come out, check here or here. So water will start coming out of here or here, and it'll be pretty immediately. Once water gets back into the pool, once the jets start bubbling up, that means water has already passed through here. So if there's a leak, it's not something that's going to start showing up tomorrow. It'll be within a couple of seconds. Checking for leaks, just grab your finger, run it down, nothing, boom, nothing. So I'll say it again, if there is a leak coming out, it's going to be pretty immediate. As soon as water starts going back through the system, if there's a leak, it's going to come out. It's going to be a couple seconds afterwards. So, got nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. We're good to go, man. Thank you.